Hi, welcome to Nikki's vlog and the Veet section. No, not the hair removal, the video tweets. And so here's the tweet from a couple of years ago. You pay the price of a culture of bad presentations. If you look and sound like the others, they switch off. Be different from word one. Often when we're helping people write the presentations, they make the mistake of falling into thinking that they're the only presentation the audience are seeing because they're the only presentation they're presenting. But it doesn't matter whether you're at a conference or whether it's a sales pitch, they are going to look at the presentations either around you, and if it's a sales pitch, they're going to probably speak to your competitors as well. So it's never the only presentation the audience are watching. It might be the only one you're giving, but you have to recognize that you're within a group. And unless you stand out, you become one of the crowd. So, stand out. The best way of standing out is to make sure your message is pithy. Make sure you've got a piece of advice, or you've got an ask, or you've got some call to action at the end of your presentation that makes them think about you. And then be memorable. Like me, difficult to ignore the drag queen. Bye.